In this video, we're going to look into a quick comparison between Claude AI versus ChatGPT. So, Claude AI is actually from Anthropic. As you may know, its models like Claude and Optoseiku are also large language models, but with somehow different design philosophy and safety constraints. Whereas ChatGPT is, as you may know, it's a conversational assistance LLM service from OpenAI. There are different versions with various tools, memory, and supports. The key difference between these two platforms is that Cloud tends to support a larger context window, okay, in and meaning it can remember or consider more of the conversation or a larger document without forgetting the earlier passwords, so it has a better memory. Okay, and chat gpt here actually also has large context windows, but generally less than Cloud's top offerings in some comparisons. So those are the difference between those. So if you have a very long document or multi-part projects and you want the model to hold a lot of context in that way, Cloud might be the better option. But if you need like latest info, current events, and live data, then ChatGPT with browsing or plugins tool is a much better option. So, but for creative writing and brainstorming, both are good because they offer both offers those tasks. So they we can use creative for creative writing and brainstorming. You can choose any one of these. They are both can do the job for you. But for coding, debugging, if you're looking for those type of things, then both are strong. But some people tend to say Cloud is more careful with multi-step or multi-file task. And if you care a lot about the safety, cautiousness, and avoiding controversial content, then Cloud's conservative design, okay, might be appealing, but sometimes that also means it might refuse or be more conservative about answering broader line or tricky questions as well. So keep that in mind. And basically, that's pretty much this.